In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell token on PancakeSwap using Trust Wallet. Before we begin, make sure your Trust Wallet is set up and that you have a small amount of BNB on BNB Smart Chain to cover network fees. This is important because without BNB for gas, your swap won't go through. Start by opening the Trust Wallet app. On iOS, tap the browser tab. On Android, open the dApps browser. If you don't see it, you can also navigate to pancakeswap.finance using the in-app browser so you stay connected through Trust Wallet. Once PancakeSwap loads, tap Connect and choose Trust Wallet from the list. Approve any prompts so the site can read your wallet's public address. After connecting, double-check the network at the top of PancakeSwap. It needs to be set to BNB Smart Chain, not Ethereum. If it shows a different network, switch it to BNB Smart Chain to avoid errors and unnecessary fees. Next, go to Trade and select Swap. In the From field, pick the token you want to sell. If your token isn't listed, paste its contract address to add it. Always use the official contract address from a reliable source to avoid lookalike tokens. In the To field, select the asset you want to receive, such as BNB or a stablecoin, depending on your goal. Enter the amount you want to sell. Leave a little BNB in your wallet for gas fees so the transaction can complete. Take a moment to review the quoted price, the minimum you'll receive after slippage, and any price impact shown on screen. If your transaction fails, tap the gear icon to adjust slippage tolerance. Start with small increments like 0.5% or 1%. For more volatile or tax tokens, you may need a higher value. If it still doesn't go through, return to settings and raise the slippage slightly again until it confirms. Also ensure you still have enough BNB for fees. If this is your first time selling this specific token, you'll see an Enable button. Tap Enable and confirm the approval in Trust Wallet. This is a one-time permission per token and costs a small BNB fee. Now tap Swap, then confirm swap. Approve the transaction inside Trust Wallet. After a short wait, the swap should confirm on-chain. You can view the status in your wallet's activity, and the received asset will appear in your balance. If you don't see it, add the token to your wallet's list so it's visible. That's it. Your token is sold using PancakeSwap and Trust Wallet. Thanks for watching and trade safely.